Can we have a league of table tennis in India? Is it possible?
Yeah, they are trying quite much, but again, vitamin M is needed. So, sponsors have to come and right marketing has to be done. For which again, you need managers, you need people working full time onto it, which is also difficult for people to, for you to find for these kind of sports.
Uh, we have seen the Chinese and Koreans and Japanese dominate TT. What is their secret, if you can shed light?
See, the main thing is the tradition is there. They have a tradition. It's like India में हर कोई why is everybody becoming a masters? Bachelor's is nothing. If you study a bachelor's, if you are a BCom or a BA or a BSc or BE, people don't give damn to it. But you need to do an MBA or doesn't matter. So the level is so high already. So if a guy goes into school today, it's like okay, you need to do masters. So this is the kind of level we have in education. So that is the kind of level they have in table tennis. You know, so they have the tradition, and they have genetics also matters because they have quick reflexes, and our sport is the second or third fastest in the world. You can hit a ball at maybe I can hit a ball at close to 150 kilometers per hour. So and the ball comes back, and you need to react for it. So
Reflex.
yeah, so all that they are also gifted a little bit. So they have the system and stuff. So we're getting there slowly, inch by inch. Now at the moment, if they are an MBA, we are at class 10. We're getting slowly there. We're getting to class 12, and then slowly we'll be there soon.
So psychologically, when you come up to players, I mean, face the players from these top countries. So how do you approach that particular
The
game?
beginning years when I went into international circuit, it was quite difficult. It was just the brand value you used to lose to, because oh he's a Chinese guy, oh Japanese guy. But now it's like, come on, let's take up a fight, because I've been exposed to that. I've been living in Europe, playing with, practicing, not only practicing, sleeping, getting up, eating with the best players. So then the difference goes down. You don't see them as big players, you just see them as an opponent. So that is the reason why now everybody is going into Europe slowly, because you have those exposures. Because staying in India, you don't get to see that kind of table tennis so often. And even when you get to see those kind of matches, there's nobody out here watching those games.
Absolutely. That feels
Yeah.
particularly bad.
Yeah. So, but yeah, so that's how it is.
Which is your, I mean, style? Which is most influencing factor on your table tennis? There are different styles, grips and all. So which is your favorite one?
Grip is, all of us play only the shake hand grip, because penhold grip is only for the Orientals, and they are also taking it out because it's a little bit of a handicap with today's speed and power. It's a little bit of handicap, and you need to play backhand and forehand. Penhold is only forehand. So with only forehand, you need to run too much, and it's difficult. So I have a shake hand grip, and I'm an aggressive player. And I play more so like the Europeans, little bit far off from the table because of my height. I cannot stay very close to the table and play, because then it's like I'm claustrophobic. I have no space to move. Then I take my distance out, and I have the power to even hit the ball from 2 meters, 2 feet away from the table.
Overall, is table tennis a completely physical game, or is it also played in the mind?
Any sport is more mental than physical. Okay, yes, of course it is physical, but if two equal players are playing, it is only mental. So you need to be mentally very fit to be good in the national level and also in the international level.
So, do you do any special strategies or mental toughening
Yes, there are a lot of things. Okay, in India, when we're in the training camps, we do a lot of yoga and stuff, so which helps us, to relax the mind and get some focus onto what we're doing and stuff. And apart from that, we do a lot of video analysis, visualizations, and those kind of stuff where we see ourselves, how we are playing, how to improve, what is working out. So these are the kind of mental practices we do.
Now you are 30, so what are your future plans? I mean, till when would you continue playing TT?
The thing is, 2006 we won the Commonwealth Games in Melbourne, It feels we just did it two days ago, and now we are already talking about retirement. I would play until the Rio Olympics, so that is the main goal for me. By Rio Olympics, I would like to come back into the top 30 in the world. That is my main aim, to be one of the finest players in the world, not only in India but in the world. And hopefully, if I'm top 30, there's a big chance to win a medal in the Olympics at Rio.
Goa is not a particularly popular center for table tennis, but there are a lot of talented kids out there playing TT. So, what advice would you like to give to them?
There is a lot of talent everywhere. It's just that you need to tap it up, and you need to give them the right facilities and stuff. So all I would tell them is, you need to come out and play. You need to enjoy the sport. That is more important. You like to play, you just come and enjoy and have the interest to play. And then you go about competing. First, you need to have the interest and passion for it. Yeah.
Thank you, Sharat. Thank you for talking to us, and all the best. That was Sharat Kamal, one of the best players of my generation. And with that, we come to the end of this program. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.